The Olumat Smart Lock OL1000 provides enhanced security through its integrated door sensor and automatic locking feature, ensuring peace of mind for homeowners. This smart lock is versatile and caters to various users, making it an excellent choice for Airbnb hosts, rental property managers, and individual homeowners. With multiple keyless entry options such as fingerprint recognition, code input, and smartphone control, the Olumat Smart Lock offers unparalleled convenience and flexibility. Installation is a breeze with the Olumat Smart Lock, requiring just a Phillips screwdriver and no additional drilling, fitting both left and right-handed doors effortlessly. Customers can rest assured with the Olumat Smart Lock's 30-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty, and lifetime customer support. The Olumat Smart Lock OL1000 stands out in the market for its robust features and user-friendly design, ensuring a secure and seamless experience for all users.